How to fix Facebook Messenger and send messages. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone. Click on the apps manager. When you click on the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger. Click on it. This is the app informations as you can see. Click right here on this option to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. After you click on force stop, now click on the data usage here. Disable the background data and make sure to enable all those three options like this. Go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on this force stop and make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Go back, click on storage, and now this is an optional step if you want to do it. Click on clear cache and clear data. Don't forget to like, subscribe.